In this video, I will show you how to get a Chinese display name on Roblox 2024. To get your Roblox Chinese name, go to More, and then click on Settings. Go to Account Info. Click this edit icon. Open Google Translate. Select English to Chinese translation. Input your name here. And simply copy these characters. And go back to Roblox page. Paste it here and click on Save. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!